What's going on, guys and girls? LA Nick. Beautiful day here in Minnesota. I'm just dropping off a bunch of stuff that I picked up this week. These are all British gas tanks I bought. I think some of them are new old stock. I think this is a new old stock tank. I don't think it's ever been on a bike. That one too. Still has the key in it. That's a a BSA Hornet tank. BSA tank. This is Motor Guzzi. Another Hornet tank. I don't know what this is. Race bike though. It's got the little lip and the pop cap. That's BMW. That's a Lightning. Triumph next to it. But yeah, I bought a bunch of tanks, side covers. Dropping off. I just brought in 2 BSAs back there. This load of bikes. Those two. 350 Scrambler and a 650 XS first year or second year, I think. A lot of bikes, man. If you're looking for a bike, got a lot of nice little single cylinder 400 Suzuki. You could be on it today. $19.99. Tag titled at the door. I don't know if tag and titled, but it sounds good. Let's see what else we got. Anything else that you guys haven't seen that we got in new lately? Some KLRs. Kawasaki, they're good bikes. I'm gonna clean my lens real quick. Hold on. There we go. Much better. Let's see what else we got. Harley-Davidson Chopper. Well, that's that bike that was in the Mayhem commercial with the weird crash bars. There's a Honda hill climber. Bonneville. Pretty nice Bonneville. There's a little Ducati, single 250. It's a nice bike right there. A lot of nice Triumphs, man. A lot of nice Triumphs. Harley-Davidson Aramachi. BSA Lightning. Another BSA. A lot of BSAs popping up lately, man. They're like coming out of the woodwork. It's like BSA Nation here, man. Uh-oh. Something did its little leaky leak there. Hope it's just water. Something in this container. What is in this container? Oh, I think it's the roof leak, since that's why they put these trash cans here. It's another BSA. The BSAs are just rolling in. Well, these are sold. This and the Rickman. A little Cushman Eagle. It's pretty nice. Another Cushman. CM400. I haven't got the paperwork yet for these MZs. As soon as you do, I'll get a price on the Saxton and then this Silver Star. These are supposed to be great bikes with that Rotex engine, but we're waiting for paperwork. Until the paperwork comes in, we don't know how much they cost. So, can't do anything until that happens. Alright guys, I'm going to unload my trailer. I'll show you the BSAs that I got brought in today. Kitties. Feral cats. Hi, kitty. They're feral, afraid of everyone. There's one, little single. BSA, it had the seat. I lost it on the freeway. But it kicks over. Still kicks over. And then this BSA, twin. It's all there. A lot of stuff. Oh, this just came in. Little Honda 110. These cleaned up bring big money, man. I saw one at the Mecum auction sell for 10 grand. It's crazy, but that's how much it sold for, 10 grand. So, all right, I'll see you later, guys.